it may be fifth orbit sometimes, or else it may be sixth orbit, or else it may be seventh orbit, or else it may be second orbit sometimes, or else it may be first orbit also sometimes. In some atoms, first orbit will be the last orbit. In some other atoms, second orbits may be the last orbit. In some other atoms, third orbit may be last orbit. So like that. So the last orbit means the orbit up to which electrons are present is said to be last orbit. Okay. So this is about the names given to the orbits. Now we'll come back to our original discussion. What is that original discussion? So in our original discussion, we have seen that atoms are unstable. Atoms are unstable. Why atoms are unstable? So that is the question. See there. Also we have seen that there are two types of atoms: unstable atoms, unstable atoms, and stable atoms. Unstable atoms and stable atoms. So what makes the difference between these two? See, look here, this is the most important thing we have to learn about stable atoms. Suppose this is the atom, this is the nucleus of atom, this is the first orbit, second orbit, third orbit, fourth orbit, and so on. Suppose this is the last orbit, that means this is valency shell. Valency shell. Let us assume this is valency shell. So this is important. So we are not bothering about the inner shells. These are said to be inner shells. And this is outermost shell. Outermost shell, or else last shell. Outermost shell. Valency shell is also another name. Outermost shell. Right. Suppose if any atom possesses 8 electrons, this is most important. If any atom possesses 8 electrons in the valency shell, then those atoms are said to be stable atoms. 8 electrons. How many electrons? 8 electrons in the valency shell. The electrons found in the valency shell are said to be valency electrons. Valency electrons. What is the meaning of valency electron? What are electrons? The electrons present in the valency shell, or else valency orbit, or else outermost orbit. Electrons present in the outermost orbit, they are called as valency electrons. Generally we will denote it with VE. VE means valency electrons. So if the electrons are present in the valency shell, then they are called as valency electrons.